Make your first $1,000 selling online. How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you saw by the title, in this video we're going to be going over how to make your first $1,000 selling online. Now, I wanted to make this video just because I remember years back when I was, just researching online about how to actually make money online. There were so many different things that I had tried to actually, something that would actually work and make money, and there's not really too many that are out there. A lot of people will, kind of sell you on pipe dreams that will make you, a ton of money really quickly, and I would just be cautious of those. But something that can definitely make you $1,000 pretty quickly is selling on Amazon. And something that, gets misconstrued with Amazon is that you can go make millions off of selling on Amazon. It doesn't really work like that. It's not something where you're just going to get rich quick, but you can build a real business behind it and build a sustainable business. And like I said, it's not going to make you millions right away, but it's going to take a while to get going, but it is going to be something that's sustainable and that can make you enough to, replace your full-time income or whatever, whatever goal it is that you have set out. The reason why I say it's very sustainable is because with, let's say for dropshipping, for an example, you can get the product and everything, but you have to actually make sure that it sells, and you don't guarantee that it sells. If you're, on Shopify or something like that, you have to pay for traffic to come, and that's not even guaranteeing that they'll check out on your website. So you're actually able to lose money, where some people might say about Amazon FBA, oh, well, you're buying inventory up front, what happens if it doesn't sell? You're going to lose money. But most of the times you're able to sell through all of your inventory if you're reading the data correctly. That's one of the perks to having, to actually selling on Amazon, is there's so much data that you can read. It'll tell you how many times the listing sells a month. It'll show you how much other competition has in stock below it, so you're able to see how much people have. So if a listing sells 150 times a month and there's only 50 in stock, you know that you're going to be able to take a portion of that. Especially if you have competitive pricing as well, then you definitely know you're going to be able to get a pretty good portion of that 150 sales a month. So again, this isn't something that's just going to happen overnight. Then it really comes down to finding those profitable deals. There's a ton of deals you can find just on doing online arbitrage, which is going to a Walmart, going to a Sam's Club, and finding products you can order to then send in. And then, of course, the real money is made in doing wholesale and finding these distributors, ordering in bulk, ordering at cheap prices. But again, there's a whole game to that as well, where you have to get in the door with these distributors first to then actually get cheaper and cheaper pricing. But overall, if you are looking for a business model that that will be able to, at least like replace your full-time income, Amazon is definitely one of those. And it can take some time, it can take some work, but at the end of the day, it is something that's absolutely attainable and something that's definitely possible to make money online. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.